Beijing is the best destination to visit the Great Wall of China. There are 5 Great Wall visitable sections here, with the most popular ones being the well-preserved Badaling and Mutianyu. Both are only 1 to 2 hours driving away. We chose Mutianyu for being more authentic, less crowded, having a better architecture, and for the fun toboggan ride. The Great Wall in Beijing totals 573 kilometers, all of them being built in the time of the Ming Dynasty, 14th to 17th century.
But all in one, we enjoyed the Great Wall.
And we have a very, very good new and very good friend from the Philippines. Yeah. It's Gwen. Hi, Gwen.
She just filmed us.
I don't know what to say. How do you say hello in Romanian?
Bună ziua! Salut!
Bună ziua!
Bună ziua!
Contrary to common belief, the Great Wall of China cannot be seen from space. The official length of the Great Wall is almost 9,000 kilometers, but the length of all the Great Wall built over thousands of years is estimated at 22,000 kilometers, more than the half of the length of the equator.
I guess it's more about the trekking than about the wall. Exhausting?
It's very hard to climb all those stairs.
Yeah, give me 5. You want to climb Mount Everest?
Look, I can take a photo of you.
Look, she's from the Philippines. She's way better than we from Romania. Shame on us.
The most typical sections of the Great Wall were built by the Ming Dynasty. This part has many tall watchtowers. The most well-known of all the legends is the story of Meng Jiangnu, bitter weeping, whose husband died building the wall. Her weeping was so bitter that a section of the wall collapsed, revealing her husband's bones so she could bury them.
There were some, like, a few thousand
More
soldiers.
Than 1,000, yeah, for 200 meters.
For 200 meters
In 1
of
year.
the wall, a section. Don't mind him. For 200, so you're in China.
We're
it's
in
okay.
Yeah,
it's
we are
perfect.
used to. So we cannot cut it because it happened so many times.
It's something natural. I mean, so
Let's continue.
for a 200-meter long section of the wall, a few thousand soldiers worked for 1 whole year.
Yeah, it's the most longest cemetery in the world.
Cemetery in the world, yeah, because a lot of
they
soldiers
work
died.
and they died and
they were buried here, and now it's the longest cemetery, over 10,000 kilometers long.
During the XI'an dynasty around 200 BC, rice flour was used in making the binding material to bind the bricks in the wall. The wall is wide enough in some places to drive a car over it. Over 10 million people visit the Great Wall of China every year. The most famous section of the Great Wall is Badaling.
The Chinese have a saying, who climbs the Great Wall is a hero. Now I'm feeling really good.
As we said, we chose to visit the Great Wall of Mutianyu because here you can get up by cable car and down by toboggan.
It's a 1 hour way from here, they said.
我就拍，我就不听你的，我就拍，你能把我怎么着吧？那你就耍流氓。
Go, Adi. Go. Forward.
Hi, sir. Don't worry. Your girlfriend is leaving here today. See you tomorrow. Don't be afraid.
Good one.
I'm a good man. My wife beautiful better.
Thank you, huh?
Look at my wife.
Oh,
That's a good one.
Better? Little bit.
Yeah. One shower.
Where you from?
Romania.
Romania. 这个别拍了啊，手机都收起来，收紧了。
Coming?
All the way down.
Wait!
No photo.
Today it was a short vlog, but still, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye!